latest bridal trends, कुछ grand resort wedding wear और incredible ideas for a bride to dazzle bride. ये सब और बहुत कुछ था, all under one roof at the Desire Madras Bridal Fashion Week, co-presented by Silkmark. Well, कौन नहीं चाहता to look, feel and be just as special as their wedding day. So for those grand and glamorous fairy tale Indian weddings, lead sponsor Desire, India's top-selling and most dependable mid-sized entry-level car, लेकर आए एक top-class fashion-studded evening in association with Silkmark India, the quality assurance and certification organization for Indian silk industry. डिजायर मद्रास ब्राइडल फैशन वीक में झलक थी इंडियन वेडिंग से जुड़ी हर इंडियन ब्राइड की, डीप रूटेड डिजायर टू डैज़ल की. From dresses, drapes to diamonds, name it, and the Desire Madras Bridal Fashion Week had it. तो देर किस बात की है? सुनते हैं from the people here. क्या लेकर आया उनको इस fashionable evening to remember that?
I'm quite excited. I am walking the ramp tonight. The last time I did was in college, so very excited about that. I'm here for my good friend Sunil Menon. I'm gonna walk the ramp and excited about that. So let's see what's gonna happen inside.
What's been on your wish list for a wedding? Latest bridal lehengas? Resplendent resort wedding look ideas? Cocktail gowns? या फिर कुछ cool and comfy just married day wear? ऐसा ही all-round gleaming collection present किया Chennai-based designer Rihanna ने. Let's check it out.
Today I'm wearing Rihanna's outfit. I know, I know this is looking lovely on me. She's exclusively and one of the top most designers in Chennai, and I'm very happy to be, her showstopper today. Very excited also.
Don't you agree? Rihanna hai blessed with a magic wand. But this was just the beginning. शो ने एक छोटा सा detour लिया from Chennai to Kolkata, जहां के designer duo Dev and Neil लेकर आए from the Bay of Bengal कुछ sensational bridal looks. You gotta see it to believe it.
This is the summer brides which we are showing this time. You would see the different kinds of wedding collections which you see available in the market. But we personally like and prefer doing collections which have got a light resorty feel. People go out in destination weddings and they don't want to carry really heavy clothes. So Dave can say even more about it. Yeah.
So we've got a lot of, we love playing with prints and patterns. And it's more about the wearability of clothes than just, So yeah, we love playing with prints and patterns, and the clothes should be light and easy to carry. And that's what this collection is all about.
वैसे देव एंड नील का है सिटी ऑफ चेन्नई से एक पुराना कनेक्शन. इन बॉयज ऑफ बंगाल ने अपने सबसे पहले स्टोर एमेथिस्ट की शुरुआत की थी फ्रॉम हियर. For now, लग रहा है summer brides are in for quite a surprise. लेकिन देव and नील लेकर आए हैं a look for just about every occasion.
We started 10 years ago, and the first place we started selling was in Chennai from a store here called Amethyst. And for us, it's a full circle running that we have come here for the finale for the bridal fashion show.
Looks like designers यहाँ ठान कर आए हैं to spoil our Indian brides with a whole lot of choice. Well, you deserve it, ladies.
We've taken, like, let's say, bridal wear and knitwear techniques, and we fuse them together for a collection which is a little edgy but yet Indian. So you'll see a little Western silhouettes like oversized sweaters, but there are like sweater ghirdars, then there's a sweater kurta. There are these wrap dresses with roll collars, which are like knitted roll collars. So the textures are like based on knitwear techniques, and the silhouettes are a fusion of Indian and Western.
ब्राइडल फीवर बढ़ता ही जा रहा है। अभी तक आपने देखे कुछ इनक्रेडिबल couture ट्रेंड्स ऑफ द सीजन फ्रॉम साउथ एंड फ्रॉम द ईस्ट। अब चलते हैं स्ट्रेट टू द नॉर्थ विद दिल्ली बेस्ड डिजाइनर जंजम गारी और उनकी ब्राइडल क्रिएटिविटी।
This collection is called My Best Friend Wedding. This collection is dedicated to the person whose best friend is getting married. I mean, everybody does clothes for the bride and groom, but with this collection, I want to do clothes for the bridesmaid. So this collection is technically like solve all the problems of all the problems of bridesmaids. So it has a series of this. I section it to like Mehndi, Sangeet, Bachelor, Youngstar, Cocktail. So technically, I mean, with this collection, I try to solve all the bridesmaids' problems.
कन्वेंशनल इंडियन ब्राइड हो या कंफर्टेबल इस फैशनेबल में बिलीव करने वाली मॉडर्न डे ब्राइड, डिजाइनर जंजम गारी के पास है समथिंग एलिगेंट एंड एजी फॉर जस्ट अबाउट everyone.
This is Ginger Mali's creation, and this is the inaugural of Chennai Bridal Fashion Week. I'm wearing the jewelry by Kirti Lals. It has emeralds, pearls, and it's beautiful. I just feel like princess. So yeah, good to be portraying them. And then today wearing one of his outfit makes me feel good. Yeah.
माना के वेडिंग डे पर सबकी नजरें होती हैं ऑन द ब्राइड, लेकिन इट्स द ग्रूम्स लुक दैट एड्स चेरी टू द केक। डिजाइनर जंजम गारी के पास है समथिंग एलिगेंट एंड एजी फॉर जस्ट अबाउट एवरीवन।
My outfit is designed by Jim Gadi. My best friend wedding is the theme, so it's about you're going to your best friend's wedding. What do you wear? So it's about that. And I'm very comfortable in it. It's like tailor-made for me. All the measurements are right. So I'm very happy and comfortable, and I really like the outfit.
just when you thought ye evening hai all about the bridal attire, there comes something glittering to set the stage on fire. Drop everything you were doing, क्योंकि ये drop dead bridal diamond collection by Kirti Lal deserve करते हैं your undivided attention.
Kirti Lal's is a 75-year-old brand. We have originated in Coimbatore 75 years back, and we are now in having 10 showrooms in 8 cities in all the 5 states of South India. Now, what really differentiates Kirti Lal's from others is the integration from the mines to the customers. It's all under one umbrella. So this is the only jewelry brand which has everything under one roof.
कीर्ति लाल डायमंड्स के कलेक्शन की ग्लीम और ग्लिटर झिलमिलाती नॉट जस्ट ऑन द रैंप बल्कि वहां आई हर ऑडियंस की आंखों में भी. No wonder diamonds कहलाते हैं every woman's best friend. और जब occasion हो as special as Indian wedding, तब कीर्ति लाल diamonds के contemporary bridal and cocktail designs add करते हैं just what every bride wants, a glint of uniqueness.
I work for Kirti Lal's Jewelry. They have really got a wonderful set of diamond jewelry for me, which is like South's best diamond collection. So I'm like really happy working for Kirti Lal's.
Kirti Lal's is known for legacy, trust and credibility. So whenever we look at showstoppers, we look at the brand ambassadors or the people who has these attributes with them. That's the reason we have chosen in today's show also Bindu Madhavi, so that they carry the same values with them.
We have Kirti Lal long tied up with us. So right now, on top of Deva Neel, I'm wearing jewelry by Kirti Lal, and this is full of rubies and diamonds. And they say it's the regal collection, that is, it means the royal collection. So really excited about it, because very rare do we get an opportunity to showcase yourself in such attire. So really thrilled about it.
There's fashion, fashion and fashion all around. Madras Bridal Fashion Week prove hua a truly shining occasion. From designer bridal wear, Vogue gleaming diamonds, to the two sponsors, Maruti Swift Desire and Hallmark of Puri Silk, Silkmark. Everything had one thing in common, that desire to dazzle bright.
I'm wearing Kanchipuram sari. It's from Silkmark. It's really very convenient. Even this morning I had a fabulous photo shoot. It's very wonderful colors.
Silk Mark Organization of India is promoting the silk. Silk is a queen of fabrics. Lot of now the people are finding difficult to find what exactly the silk. There are so many synthetic things are coming in the market. To identify silk, always insist Silk Mark Organization of India. We give the mark, silk mark label we give to the shopkeepers who are recognized by the Silk Mark of India. The silk is a queen of fabric and it is a natural fiber. It's akin to the skin and it is very useful and it's a grace and its fall is very good. Silk is always silk. I request to promote the silk in a great way. Thank you very much.
वेलकम बैक। चल रहा है डिजायर मद्रास ब्राइडल फैशन वीक पर एक फैशनेबल सिलसिला और अब जिन शिमरिंग स्टार्स, शो स्टॉपर्स और डिजाइनर्स को अभी तक आपने दूर दूर से निहारा इन देयर परफेक्ट रैंप लुक, हाउ अबाउट वी गेट यू क्लोज एंड पर्सनल विद देम।
It was fabulous. I loved all your designs. And of course, I walked for Dev and Neil. I've enjoyed myself. I enjoyed walking the ramp. It was the first time.
It's really awesome. And the choreographer, Sunil Menon, is one of my close friends. So I came for him.
I'm blessed and fortunate to work with girls who may not be just fashion models with big titles. They're good human beings. I really am indebted to them because I know how many phone calls we've been going back and forth. You know, I wasn't sure if I could pull it off. And they all came because I called them, and I'm so indebted for life because they made this show happen. And thank you so much for your support. And we hope, and we definitely will see us back with the actual Bridal Fashion Week happening every year.
Just like a film is grand or glittering, Desire Madras Bridal Fashion Week के पीछे छुपा था a lot of behind the scenes action.
One of our prime focus is promoting amongst youngsters, and present young generation is very promising. And as for the model, we are very glad to be associated with Madras Bridal Fashion Week. The car and the show was excellent. I am very impressed with the Fashion Week. I feel it's the perfect association with this event.
So, आप wedding planner हैं या gate crasher? The ones wedded to be या फिर bride या groom की friends और family? इस glam wedding extravaganza से आपको मिला होगा all the latest fashion scoop. That's what we hope. So, आने वाले summer weddings पर don't forget to flaunt one of the exceptional looks from tonight. Be fashionable, mesmerize, and keep watching Zoom, India's #1 Bollywood channel.